Hello students, my name is Pawan Nitish. I am your Abhyas IIT Prep coordinator. Today I am going to discuss about JEE Mains analysis of September 6th, Shift 1 and Shift 2. So almost you have to get 222 plus to get a 98 percentile and above. Coming to Shift 1 Physics. In Shift 1 Physics, 10 questions are from IP first year and 15 questions are from IP second year. In Mechanics 1, 5 questions were asked and those questions are from units and dimensions, work power energy and friction and are of very easy level. In Mechanics 2 also 5 questions were asked and those are from circular motion and rotational motion and are very easy to moderate level. Thermal physics 2 questions were asked and those 2 questions are from kinetic theory and are expected and very easy. Next, wave and optics. 3 questions are asked, one from waves, one from sound and other from ray optics and were very easy level. Electromagnetism, highest weightage again, 7 questions were asked, 2 questions were difficult comparatively and the other were very moderate. In nuclear physics, 3 questions were asked, and these 3 questions are from dual nature and atomic physics, and they were of easy to moderate level. And next, in chemistry also, 10 questions are from first year and 15 questions are from second year. So, coming to physical chemistry 1, questions are from equilibrium and thermodynamics and were easy to medium level. Next, inorganic chemistry, 3 questions were asked, and those are directly from NCERT and were of moderate level. Organic chemistry 1, 3 questions were asked, and these questions are from GOC and nitrogen containing organic compounds. Very easy level. And physical chemistry, 5 questions were asked. These questions are from kinetic, surface chemistry, and electrochemistry and solutions and were of easy to moderate level. Inorganic chemistry, 2, 4 questions were asked, and these 4 questions are from environmental chemistry and classification of elements and were of easy level. Organic chemistry 2, 6 questions were from D block, F block, and all are from NCERT, and you can easily attempt them if you are thorough with NCERT textbook. Next, in Shift 1 Mathematics, you have 10 questions from first year and 15 questions from second year. And trigonometry and algebra 1, 5 questions were asked, and in these 5 questions, predominantly are from trigonometry and were very easy. Geometry 1, 3 questions were there, and these 3 questions, 2 are from planes and easy to medium difficulty. Calculus 1, 2 questions, which 2 questions were more or less familiar and are of from maxima minima and limits were covered. Algebra 2, 7 questions were asked this time, highest weightage, and these questions are from PNC probability complex number quadratic equations with medium difficulty. Okay. Geometry 2, 2 questions from conics and they were like lengthy and circles they were easy. Next, calculus 2, 3 questions were asked and these 3 questions are from most expected patterns and they are from areas and definite integral small function and are of moderate level. Next, functional algebra 3, questions are from mathematical reasoning and they are of more known level and very easy and moderate. Next, coming to Shift 2 band score, we got it as 221 plus, and compared to Shift 1 band score 222 plus, I can say both of them were like comparatively of same level. So for 98 percentile and above, you have to get 221 plus in Shift 2. Next, physics, IP first year 48% and IP second year 52%. 12 questions out of 25, 13 questions out of 25. Mechanics 1, 4 questions were asked and those 4 questions are from center of mass, relative velocity, kinematics, units and dimensions, and all of them were easy. Next, mechanics 2, 5 questions were asked. Questions from gravitation, collision, springs, moment of inertia were easy, and that from fluid dynamics was a difficult thing. Next, thermal physics, 3 questions were asked. Those are from thermodynamics, thermal properties of matter, and they were of expected level and are easy to medium. Next, wave optics, 2 questions were asked, and those 2 questions are from ray optics 1 and wave optics 1. They were of very easy level. Electromagnetism, out of 9 questions, I can say easily you can attempt 5 to 6 questions, and the remaining, if they are very lengthy, but they can be also solved. Nuclear physics, 2 questions were asked, and these 2 questions are a bit lengthy to calculate but very easy. Next, shift to chemistry. IP first year 11 questions were asked, and IP second year 14 questions were asked. So physical chemistry 1, number of questions were 2, and these questions were expected and easy. Inorganic chemistry, this time 6 questions were asked, and those questions are from directly NCERT book, and if you are thorough with NCERT book you can easily attempt them. Next, organic chemistry 1, 3 questions were asked, and these 3 questions are from basic principles of organic chemistry and can be easily attempted. Physical chemistry 2, 4 questions were asked. Solid state solution, surface chemistry. They were like very lengthy, calculative, but you can easily attempt them. Inorganic chemistry 2, again I am telling you from the shift 1 onwards. NCERT book is the main source for the inorganic chemistry 2 this time. So if you are thorough with that, you can easily attempt 4 questions. Organic chemistry 2, 6 questions were asked, and these 6 questions are of medium level and were expected only. Next, coming to shift to maths, 12 questions from first year and 13 questions from second year. Highest this time were asked from algebra 1 and trigonometry. Matrices 2 questions, functions 2 questions, and other 2 were from properties of triangles. All of them you can easily attempt. This is the highest scoring subject this time. Next, geometry 1, 3 questions. 3 questions are from vector, straight lines, and planes, and were of easy to medium level. Calculus 1, 3 questions were asked, and these 3 questions are from expected models only and very easy. Next, algebra 2, 6 questions, and those 6 questions were from binomial theorem, probability, permutations and combinations, statistics, and quadratic equations. All of them were covered and were easy. Geometry 2, 2 questions only this time, and these were little calculative and were of medium level. But models were already expected models only, nothing new, no surprises, but they were very calculative. Calculus 2 was of medium level and expected questions only asked. Functional algebra, 2 questions were asked, and those 2 questions are highly repeated models every time, and these can be attempted very easily. So coming to our campus details, we have our residential campus Gyanvili Academy in Pragati Nagar, and you can log in into our website for more information, iitprep.in, gyanville.in, or you can contact us through email, Facebook page, or a direct mobile number or WhatsApp. And coming to Telegram, we have a channel, and in that channel mainly IIT Prep channel is committed to giving quizzes and questions every day, and students can attempt to give an option in the polls conducted, and daily you can learn some new concept from those questions. So it is completely free of cost. Add your friends too, so use easily you can compete with them who is getting right answer or not. So by this way you can easily develop your concepts also. And thank you guys. If any more doubts are there, you can also contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you one and all.